my far from grace, and there are other signs of danger every step of the way. And every time I clearly say, tide of change come over me. Let me drown, it's such a pleasure. Please just let me be.